can really celebrate our diversity through events like these, you know, where everyone can really get together and just sort of show off their culture and be like, you know, look how cool this is.
They're definitely having more events like this, and I think that's really the best way to go about that because everybody loves food.
It's not only diversity, but it's also equality, right? Everybody gets a booth, everybody gets to share what they have to everybody else.
I like seeing that there is a variety of foods that I can go and experience different things.
I am having the time of my life. The music, the food, everything. Right here on the river, it's great.
She said it all.